Absolutely.
Yeah. Hi. Seeing
Hi,
you after a long time. So
long
feeling very nice and excellent.
same here, Pradyumna. So
Yeah.
nice to see you. You put on a lot of weight, I believe.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's a working from home. So maybe due to that.
You're very relaxed and eating a lot, is it?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So, Pradyumna, thank you so much, first of all, for providing your time here. And a lot of people are excited to know on how our students are getting jobs. And as part of this series, we thought we'll also understand from your standpoint. I believe you're from mechanical background, right?
Right.
Despite being from mechanical background, getting into data science would have been a difficult journey, but yet you have achieved that. Right. Can you explain us briefly about how was your journey from being a mechanical engineer or engineering graduate to now being data scientist in TCS? Yeah, Pradyumna.
Yeah, sure. So I will start with first. It was not an easy journey for me. I was working hard for last 3.5 years to get those things, and parallelly working and doing some stuffs related to the data science, plus working into the jobs. So it was a difficult time, but I have a great aim that anyhow I have to achieve it. So, and with the guidance of the people like you, Nitin and Sharat. So they guided me throughout my journey, and that helped me a lot. And few decisions I took that also helped me a lot to do this transition in a brief. So the main and basic things are hard work and dedication, plus continuous effort to learn new things. So these things help me to get into the data science domain.
Absolutely well said. So the one most important thing which Pradyumna is hinting at is perseverance,
Yeah,
right? He never lost hope. He was continuously latched on to this one aim of getting into this field of data science. Yeah. Thank you so much, Pradyumna, for that. And the second thing is you also worked as an intern,
right,
right? And you have done a few projects as part of Innodatatics.
right.
How did that help you in order to gain real world experience, Pradyumna?
Yeah, exactly. Those things helped me a lot. In a sense, I was working with the project. I was leading the people of almost 15, 20 people. I was handling. So handling them, handling their doubts, making their mindset towards the project, how it is going and what is the aim, what we have to achieve, what is the requirement, all those in terms of business understanding, what we can deliver to our customers or client. So those things I was managing. I was doing some project reviews for data visualization and all. So in few projects, I got to know that I'm good at those things, that handling the business problem, taking the inputs and making the people understand what is the requirement. So those things I learned in the projects, and the explainability for the project, what we require, how we can achieve those things, how we will arrange the resources for those things. Those things help me a lot. And because of those things, I got a senior position in the TCS also. And I was handling the team. I was working with the lead, all the leads who are having for more than 4 and 5 years of experience into the same domain. So it was difficult for me initially, because I was thinking, am I saying something right or wrong things? But they are also good people. They helped me a lot in the initial phases, because I have ideas. I know how to deliver things, and they know how their data is. But that combination was very good. I know how to deal with those data things, and I was into the predictive analytics part in my at a client side. So my job is not difficult, easy one, because I have to find out the opportunities in their enterprise application. So it was not like they have given some case studies and I have to just work on those case studies. I have to go through their entire enterprise application, look for the opportunities that how we can create something, how we can deliver, to negotiate, to deal with the senior people and the leads, managers, and their seniors. So discuss with them, discuss my ideas, my opinions, check with the feasibility of those things. Lot many things I have did in this 1 year journey to the TCS, and I am able to do those things because of the project reviews that I was taking taking the lead in the project. Which projects are not going ahead are coming towards me when I was working over there, and not about those things. Whoever worked with me, either into the Bangalore office or into the Hyderabad office, all of them, most of them got placed. 90% of them are get placed now. So I'm feeling happy. Whoever were there with me, those also people got placed, and everyone is happy at the end. Every end is good, then everything is good, right?
Absolutely, absolutely, Pradyumna. And tomorrow I'm having a similar kind of session with Jamil.
Right.
I think you and Jamil, both of you all have moved from Hyderabad office to Bengaluru office at same time.
Right.
Right? Yeah. So tomorrow I'm interviewing him. He's with Power Auto Cooper. So of course you must be knowing because we
Right.
both are close friends now. And
Yeah.
one last question, Pradyumna. What is a single, only one, most important suggestion you want to give to the students who are undergoing the data science training now in order to get a job and become a successful data scientist? What would be that one single most important suggestion from your side?
Yeah, most important thing is continuous learning thing, because when I started transitioning to the data science, I was learning with the R language. Now most of the companies, I think only Accenture is working with the R language kind of projects, but rest of the companies are not working with R. Everyone is moved to this Python. So not only that, we are also taking the interviews, but they are good in the concepts. The people coming are good in concepts, but they are not able to apply those things into the case studies. That if a customer is coming, so in for one business problem, one customer came to us that he was looking for a forecasting for a binary outcome.
Okay.
Yeah. So he want a outcome in terms of binary format. So such kind of case studies, if we give to the students while interviewing, they will get fumbled. So you have to think in terms of something different rather than just going with the basics. Then only you will get a chance to work with the actual industry projects or actual things. So this is the one suggestion. And second thing is you have to learn all those data pipelining things and all those, at least have a brief idea about that. In my team also, we have a separate person for data engineering and managing those things. But sometimes you have to work with those things also. So be ready for everything and prepare for the worst. That is the thing if you want to get succeed.
Absolutely, absolutely, Pradyumna. So two key things which Pradyumna has told us is that number one, continuous learning. Don't stop midway. Until you achieve your goal, keep continuously studying. A few people get jobs in 6 months, a few people in 1 year, a few people in 1.5 years, etc. But then getting a job is guaranteed. The only thing is you need to maintain that consistency. That's number one. Number two, you need to learn data pipeline. And Pradyumna, since then we have revamped our curriculum, and there are 52 different use cases. By the time they end the training, on 52 projects, they learn end to end. They pull the data from the database, they build pipeline for data pre-processing and model building, and then they deploy the model in production, be it Flask or Django or Fast API. We are using Heroku, and then we are also using monitoring and maintenance tools such as Evidently now. So not once, not twice, 52 times they learn. So that would certainly help them a lot, right? And also on cloud platforms.
Right.
And yep, thank you so much once again, Pradyumna, for sparing time. So here is our friend who has, with perseverance and with hard work and determination, achieved his goal, and he's now a successful data scientist. And he's saying that majority of the projects which are going south, difficult clients, they are getting directed to Pradyumna. That is the dedication of this man that we are seeing here, Pradyumna. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, and thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much, and all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you.